Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a modern browser, 5 Mbps internet, and your Abhyas login ready. Open Chrome or Edge and allow camera and mic when prompted. The site uses them for proctoring. Once done, sign in with your registered mobile number or DigiLocker credentials and complete any OTP verification. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked because the test opens in a new window. This gets you straight into the app environment, so you can launch the practice or mock test immediately. You now select practice test or full mock and verify the duration and sections displayed. This matters for time management. Next, calibrate your webcam so your face stays in frame and run audio/video checks to ensure clear recording. During the test, use Next and Previous to navigate and click Save for answers when prompted. Autosave helps, but manual save prevents data loss. If a section has subsections, finish and submit them in order to maintain timing and scoring integrity. You finish by reviewing flagged questions, then submit and wait for the confirmation screen. Don't close the tab during processing. After submission, download or screenshot the receipt and note the submission ID. This proves completion if problems occur. If the app freezes or loses connection, first clear browser cache and reopen. If that fails, switch to Chrome/Edge or reconnect to a wired network. If still unresolved, contact Abhyas support with screenshots and your submission ID so they.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.